Thompson Coburn is a law firm of 380 attorneys based here in St. Louis, Missouri. We have 6 different offices, 50 different practice areas. We practice on a national and international stage.
Commitment to our communities is one of the key foundational values here at Thompson Coburn. We, both as an organization and as individuals, are committed to making sure that we are involved in helping the communities in the 6 offices where our business is located.
Some of the charities that we are particularly focused on are the United Way. We had an exceptionally strong performance this year, as we do every year.
In addition to supporting charities through the time that our attorneys dedicate, we also pick one local charity every year to support throughout the year. This year we chose Gateway to the Great Outdoors.
Gateway to the Great Outdoors is a nonprofit that provides environmental, outdoor, and STEAM education to low-income middle and elementary schools in St. Louis and Chicago.
Some of the participants in this group hadn't been to a park before, hadn't camped before. This is a way to get people who don't have the means to get out into the outdoors.
There are so many health benefits associated with nature contact, as well as educational benefits. And unfortunately, in the U.S., there are a lot of barriers and inequities with access to nature. And Thompson Coburn has been such generous supporters. They donated over $18,000 to our organization. Additionally, they've really helped on the programmatic side as well, whether it's helping us pack backpacks for our kids to take out on the camping trips, or coming and supporting us at our fundraisers.
It is part of our fiber as a firm to give back, especially to those in communities who are underserved and in need. We're not looking for adulations or honors, but we are very proud of what we do, and we are honored to receive this.